Many thanks. Let's look at the weather now. Here's Louise Lear. Louise.
Hi there, Rita. Well, not just blue sky and sunshine at SW19, across London, actually, it's improved quite nicely. But that's not the story everywhere. Unfortunately, further north, we've got rather threatening-looking skies in Halifax in Yorkshire. The cloud thick enough for the odd spot or two of rain. There's a weather front slicing the country in two as we speak. And to the north and south of that, there's some blue sky and some sunshine coming through. And it's feeling pretty warm due to a southwesterly breeze. But that weather front stubbornly sitting through the spine of the country, and it's really going to produce outbreaks of light drizzly rain through Wales and the southwest in particular. So that means up into the northwest of Scotland here, a scattering of showers, but some decent sunshine into Scotland, Northern Ireland, and we will see temperatures perhaps into the low 20s. Yes, some outbreaks of light patchy rain across Wales, particularly through west-facing coast, some poor visibility here and into the southwest, and the cloud thick enough for the odd spot or two of nuisance rain, not enough through the gardens really across Midlands and Lincolnshire. Into the southeast, keep the sunshine. You get some warmth, 24 degrees, maybe 25, not out of the question. But through the evening, the potential for some sharp, possibly thundery showers, fleetingly moving through the southeast. So that may well interrupt play for a time at Wimbledon. And then overnight tonight, we see a real rush of sharp showers develop to the north and west. Some of these really quite torrential at times. But it will be a pretty mild night for sleeping, 13 to 16 degrees. So a really messy start to Friday morning. It'll be warm, but it'll be wet at times. Outbreaks of showery rain spilling away south and east. But into the afternoon, what a difference. A real contrast. Drier with some sunshine coming through. And because we've still got the wind direction from a southwest, warm with it. High teens, perhaps low 20s. Not out of the question. Now, we keep that messy theme, I'm afraid, into the weekend. A rather deep area of low pressure for this time of year. Windy with it as well for Saturday. That's going to sweep in during Saturday morning. Some of that rain will shift its way further north. There's a level of uncertainty just where that rain is likely to sit into Saturday, but it looks likely to push its way across Wales, northern England and Scotland. To the south, it stays somewhat drier and brighter. So plenty of sporting events and summer events taking place this weekend. It looks as though we will continue to see showers or longer spells of rain at times. Wimbledon, though, looks predominantly dry. Rita.
Louise, thank you.